This year, SSHS hosted their first annual 3D Print Holiday Design Challenge. We had a bunch of incredible entries. We'd like to thank all the hundreds of people who took the time to vote for our winners. Without further ado, here are our 2020 winners. In first place is Emmett Leeson, who was in grade 10. Congratulations, Emmett. In second place, we have Ryan Johnson, who was in grade 12. Fantastic job, Ryan. And in third place, we have Brianna Hawks, who was also in grade 12. Great job, Brianna. A special mention goes out to Kaylee Hannon in grade 10. Way to go, Kaylee! Again, thank you so much for everyone who voted for our winners and showed so much support for this competition. And congratulations to the winners! To order one of these awesome ornaments, please email scott.leg@nbed.nb.ca. Merry Christmas!